Alright, today I'm going to be showing off the new Overworld additions that I've made. I'm going to turn this volume down just a little bit, it's killing me. Alright, here we go. See, I'll just create a new game. So here's New Overworld. It's got a bunch of animated flags now. It's got like water waves in different locations. I'm working on some campfire additions over here, but you'll see that everything's connected a little bit by these really light colored lines. But when you're on a location, it has a brighter colored line. So if I moved out to this one, these two will be connected, and so on. And the lines don't exactly line up because one of them is an image and the other one is being drawn based on these objects' positions. So there's a little bit of difference here. But they're all connected up. You can enter a level, run around and do some stuff, exit the level, and you're right back where you are. And you have full access to the menu while you're here as well. So just like if you're in a level, you can pull the menu up, jump out of a level, still pull the same menu up. So that's another advantage to using globals. Everything's just present all the time. Yeah, there's a lot of work to be done, but that's what I got into the game last night. And the line drawing function is actually independent of the Overworld screen. And there's some plans that I have for different objects, items that will be used, that will be using this line drawing algorithm that I've added. And it's actually a pool. There's a lot more to it. And it will be inside the game. So like, one of the ideas was, you got this boomerang. You can throw this boomerang, have all kinds of fun with it, right? What if the boomerang hit somebody and stuck into him, and it like hit him and it traveled with him for a while? Well, then it would be stuck in him, and you could press the Y button to like bring it back to you, you know, like return it. And I was thinking, oh, that's just like Kratos' axe. I was like, why don't I just use an axe? Like, the boomerang is fine on its own. Like, this functionality is awesome. I love this. So pretty soon there's going to be an axe. Probably right here, in this location right here, right next to the shovel. I'm going to put an axe, and hammer's going to be coming soon too. So this whole section is probably going to get expanded. I'll probably get another like layer added below this into items, so you have like 2 rows in items, and that'll affect the UI a little bit. I might expand it even more, like add another one under equipment or items up here or something, so that when this items box like expands, like this top part is going to move up 16 pixels, which will give us enough room for like one more row. But in order to keep this all visually balanced, like this is going to have to expand down. So that's going to move up 16 pixels. That's going to expand 16 pixels to meet this current line, and then it's going to expand another 16 pixels. So we're going to be gaining 16, 16, 16 for a total of 16 times 3. And hopefully that'll give us enough space for 2 more rows of these UI items, which will be rows inside of this weapons slot, which this actually should say weapons and not items. Whatever. And then maybe another slot for equipment or another slot for items Y. I think items Y is really fun, and I don't know. There's a lot of things we could do with it. So we'll see.